in your eyes, 'cause these words are really clear. So read it, just read it.
Tell us to run, but you'll never understand. You're gonna see the truth can't be a simple man.
When your time is up, God will destroy this land. So read it, and you're gonna be mad. Just read it, read it, read it, read it. You are gonna be defeated. Showing how puny, weak is your might. It only matters these words are right. Now read it, just read it, read it, read it. You say you're killing, spit and leave what we can. We're gonna share this life, so take it like a man.
We will soon go to the promised land.
Now read it, and heed it. God's gonna show you that you really should care. You need to feel your God, the time is short, beware.
You kick us, then you beat us, and you scream, it's not fair!
Now read it, and you're gonna be mad. Just read it,
Read it,
heed it.
heed it.
Go on good things and leave it. Your God is coming, time to take flight. You will see clearly when you get light. Just read it,
Read it,
read it.
read it.
You are gonna be defeated. Showing how puny, weak is your might. It only matters these ones are right. Just read it, read it.